This is the place that we wanted to develop into a rock park. See how we started out. Students busily planning together on the things that we wanted to do. So this is the place that we wanted to turn out into a park. This is Brian.
Brian.
The ESO president, trying to burn some dried leaves to produce smoke so that mosquitoes will go away. Russell, Joniver, helping each other to turn this place into a park. Working together without complaining. That's Mark Joseph. The place that we want to turn into a park. See how are we going to make a miracle out of this.